This is a webcam. This is a webcam to lighting convert. This is iPad. This is live streaming now. Now I use the iPad to let the webcam be live streaming with Facebook Live. I use the wire connect. This is Facebook now. Now I will show you how to let the external webcam, Logitech webcam, live streaming with iPad or iPhone. Now you need to download two apps. One is Wi-Fi image. The second is DURecorderLive. Okay, you must download two apps. One is DURecorderLive, another one is Wi-Fi image. And then you will go to setting, edit control center, and edit the screen recorder. Edit. And then please go to DURecorderLive. And set up your Facebook account. Log in. Just log in. And start record. Okay. And now you can find this icon. You can see the DURecorderLive and the microphone. Okay. Now we want to let the external webcam display on the iPad. This is webcam to lighting converter box. This is webcam, this is lighting output. Okay, plug the power, DC 5 voltage. Plug the USB webcam. And this is iPhone, iPad charge 9, lighting charge 9. Plug the USB. Okay, you will see the error message, but do not care about it. It still can use. Okay, you can see the video is from the external webcam. Okay, external webcam. Now, use this icon. DURecorder, start broadcasting. Open. Now it is live streaming now. This is a webcam. This is a webcam to lighting convert. This is iPad. This is live streaming now. Now I use the iPad to let the webcam be live streaming with Facebook Live. I use the wire connect. This is Facebook now.